I'm sorry, Joram. I have not even met you when it happened, so I forgot.
I'm a coward.
No, you're not.
I'm a coward. I'm a coward. I'm a
You're
coward.
not. Stop it. Stop it.
Is everything okay?
No, just leave us alone.
What's this?
It will make you feel better.
I hate this city. I want to go home.
I know.
I'm only here because of you.
I know, Joram. I know. I have to learn to deal with stress. Your job is too stressful. Last night shift is not good. I know, but what can I do? Just give it up. Do something different. And be like you? No, thank you. Just because you have someone doesn't mean you give up your career. You know, in fact, you become more dependent on that person, and that's not a good thing. Which exactly what's happening with you. You don't understand things. And I don't want to also. Hello. Oh yes, hello ma'am. I was not expecting your call till next week. Oh really? Thank you ma'am. Yes, of course. I work American time only. Hello? Yes, she is here. No. She's talking on the phone. Oh. Okay, I'll tell her. Sure. I'll just reply to the email. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. Have a good day. Wow, I got the job. What happened?